In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist on YouTube. Okay, so first we will create the playlist, then I'll show you how you can find it and also share it as well. So let's say I really like this video about YouTube Shorts. I'll click on the video and I want to create a playlist and add it to that playlist. Well, how exactly do I do that? So to do that, we go to the save icon in the bottom right hand corner. That will then open this window and prompt you to save the video to any playlist you may already have. If you want to create a new playlist, click New Playlist, and I'll just call this YouTube Tips. You can rename this later, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to keep this private, but if you wanted to create a public playlist that anyone can search for and view, you can do that as well. You can also create an unlisted playlist that you can share the link with other people. For me though, this is just for my personal needs, so I'm going to keep it private and turn off the collaborative feature. Although if you have this turned on, you can make one with your friends, so you can all upload different videos to a playlist. Then go ahead and click on create and your new playlist has now been made. If you then go to any video in the future and click save, you will then see your playlist and you'll be able to select it if you want to add more than one video to that playlist. Now, if you want to see your playlist in future, go to the three lines in the top left of YouTube, and here under you will see playlists. If you go ahead and click on that, you can then check out all of your playlists, and then you'll see your most recent one here, which you can go ahead and click on. That will then start to play the video in that playlist, and you can go ahead and click next and skip through those videos. If you go to view full playlist, it will open up your playlist in a new window, and from here you can click on the three dots, you can shuffle, you can go to playlist settings and change some settings like embedding, where the new videos will be added to, and that is about it. That is how you can create a playlist on YouTube.